Oh, that dog is so great. What a great dog. Look at his little food. Oh. Ellie.
Hi. Ellie made muffins.
Ellie made muffins. Where are we? Oh, it's out of focus. Where are we going, guys? Oh, loud.
Lucy's thought of the day.
Loud noises. Lucy's thought of the day.
Where are we going?
They're good.
They're good.
We're going to
Heel Green.
Heel Green. We're going to Heel
We're
Green.
beef eaters.
But I don't eat beef. Hi, Pete.
Hi.
Pete's just eating his muffins. Pete's just having a muffin.
Yeah.
But Marin is also here and not having a muffin. So we're at the hotel. Here's our bathroom. Oh, there's a little teeny shower. Little tiny weeny shower. And we've got a little teeny weeny toilet. And little teeny towels. And what's our view of? The road. Ellie.
Looking at the menu.
She's looking at the amazing menu. And look at this log fire.
If only it was on though, but it actually.
But actually maybe not because it's really warm.
Maybe not in summer, but you know.
In summer. Welcome to Tea with Marin.
It's coffee.
Welcome to Coffee with Marin. Today on my show I have Lucy Park. Hi Lucy.
Hi-ho.
What's it like being in my very personal bedroom?
It's great. I've got a coffee, a tea thing.
Make yourself a home booth.
I am. I'm home.
Let's play a game called How Many People Can I Fit in My Bedroom?
Hey.
Hey, welcome to Tea with Marin.
Hi, I missed the tea. Just wondering where the tea is.
Do you not get me?
No.
Oh, sorry, I'm coming.
Maybe the fourth person in the room has tea.
I'm burning my finger right now.
Please don't beat me.
Got my tea.
Welcome to Tea with Marin. I'm burning my finger. Ow. Ow! I will tea with Marin with you in a minute. Pete, my fingy hurts. Oh, I burnt my fingy. Let's start again. Not start again, but... Welcome to Tea with Marin, Pete.
Damn it, I was going to hide, but you caught me at the wrong time. I can't do that now.
So we're at our hotel in Manchester, just having a coffee. Gonna film a little, I say main channel video, but actually it's all going on the same channel. I tend to usually vlog, but we're actually gonna film a proper video for a change. And then we're gonna go for some dinner because we're going to Disneyland tomorrow, and that's not why we're going for dinner. because food, there's always a reason for food.
Oh, damn right there is.
Hey,
That's
Pete.
like my life. Reason for food.
Food is Pete's life.
It is.
Disneyland tomorrow! Yeah! And the TV keeps making this clicking noise like it's gonna explode. Yay!
Someone turned it off.
I tried, it wouldn't work. And I keep looking into the viewfinder instead of into the camera.
So you I love being princess down in the beautiful ocean blue, but mermaids are going missing. They end up in someone's stew.
It's fine.
It's like you've gone away. We used to be best buddies. Why is it them going first? Doesn't make it easy.
Come on.
Alright, I beg saying
Of random stuff.
Alright, I beg around the halls. Why is it ruined my tune?
Maybe that's what it is. Maybe they actually listen to what they're saying. I just blank it out.
It's overdue. I'm starting talking to. Why is it getting worse?
Overdue.
I think some company is overdue. I've started talking to the pictures on the walls, hanging there, Joe.
Yeah.
It seems so normal when I'm doing this. Snow glows white on the mountains tonight. Oh, I forgot the words. Not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation. Tense. I'm the queen.
Just got the chorus.
Let it go.
Let it go. Let it go.
Hold it back.
It's making me forget all my decisions. I can't remember the song anymore. Hang on.
I don't know where she's up to go.
Let it go.
Not perfect.
Comrade John! The cold never burn me anyway.
Alright, thank you. I'm new to this.
What a
Let's go
little
with
wavy
that.
word.
I think it'll be hard for me now.
Little Elsa.
Have you got it?
Yeah, I think it'll be hard for me now.
Ah! Oh, sorry.
Like I've never known before. Love's an open door. Love's an open door. Love's an open door with you.
With you.
With you.
With you.
Love's an open door.
I've been searching my whole life to find my own place. And maybe it's the party talking or the chocolate fondue.
But with you, I see your face, and it's not like I've ever known before. Love's an open door. Love's an open door. Love's an open door with you.
With you.
With you.
With you.
Love's an open door.
5 hours later.
Mental synchronization can have but one explanation. You and I were just meant to be.
Many unbearable hours later.
Love's an open door. Life be so much more with you. With you. With you. With you. Love's an open door. Love's an open door with you.
With you.
With you.
With you.
Love is an open
Door.
I hate you both.
You know the part where...
sound alright?
Yeah, you sound like
Actually,
it's like perfectly in pictures.
I thought it wouldn't be.
I hate them.
Go on.
Arundel's in deep, 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 deep snow.
What?
You kind of sent off eternal winter everywhere.
Everywhere.
But it's okay, you can just unfreeze it.
No, I can't. I don't know how.
Sure you can, I know you can. Cause for the first time in forever,
I'm such a fool,
you don't have to be afraid.
No
We can
escaping
work this
storm
out
inside
together.
I can't
We can
control
work
the
the storm you've made.
Oh, when I please you'll only make
Sing.
it worse.
Don't panic.
There's so much fear.
We'll make the sunshine bright.
You're not safe here.
We can fix this thing together. We can change this winter weather.